Here's my 3 tips to help you learn how to make sure na hindi mo maging habit ang pagiging tanga. First, accept that mistakes happen. So, if your action doesn't have any bad intention, pero pag may nagagalit pa rin sa'yo, deadma lang. Kasi, as long as you're aware about your action, and you face the consequences of it, other people's opinion doesn't actually matter. Second, accept that not all mistakes happen for a reason. Kasi, malay mo naman minalas ka lang. Kaya palagi kang nadadapa. But on the other hand, luck is also objective. Kasi, pwede yung bad luck sa'yo, ay good luck naman sa iba. Just be mindful. Know your reason why you take the action. Hindi yung tipong ikaw ang gumawa, pero hindi mo naman alam kung bakit mo ginawa. Ano kaya yun? Since stupidness is part of growing up, learn from it. Dahil hanggat hindi ka natututo sa mga katangahan mo, hindi ka makakapagdesisyon para sa ikakaayos ng buhay mo. Kasi paulit-ulit mo lang gagawin yung katangahan mo.